A U.S. pilot is missing in Iran amid rising tensions. Every hour counts as Iran searches the crash site and the U.S. races against time. What key edge does Washington hold right now? Experts warn that if Iran captures the missing U.S. pilot, it would severely weaken the United States' negotiating position. Jonathan Samuels reports that this scenario would give Iran a significant diplomatic advantage. This raises the stakes tremendously for Washington as they attempt to secure the pilot's safe return, highlighting the urgent need for a successful search and rescue operation. The most important factor right now is timing. The missing pilot's plane went down close to sunset. This actually favors U.S. search and rescue teams who typically have an advantage operating at night. This tactical edge could increase the chances of finding the pilot before Iran's Revolutionary Guard Corps, which is actively combing the crash area in southwestern Iran. Iran's Revolutionary Guard Corps has publicly confirmed they are sweeping the area where the plane went down. Their presence near the crash site increases the risk of the pilot being captured. This official confirmation escalates worry in Washington and puts pressure on U.S. forces to act quickly before Iran gains control. Despite ongoing talks between the U.S. and Iran, Iranian officials have dismissed Washington's public demands to release the pilot. Meanwhile, Israel reports multiple missile launches from Iran toward its territory, signaling rising regional tensions. This volatile environment complicates rescue efforts and heightens the stakes for all parties involved. Former President Trump has already postponed delivering an ultimatum to Iran twice, citing ongoing negotiations. This shows the U.S. is trying to avoid escalation and prefers a diplomatic solution. However, Iran's dismissive stance and continued military provocations make the situation precarious. For you, this means the next few hours are crucial. The missing pilot's fate could shift international relations and impact global security. Stay informed and understand how these unfolding events might affect diplomatic stability and your safety. Subscribe for real-time updates on this urgent story.